Got Monica jump out Stratosphere, small step right there for me. Go ahead and flip your wrist over, show up that city view, jumping 855 feet tonight. Let's take a walk out. Turn around, look inside, smile for a photo. 1, 2, 3. Alright, both hands right there for me. Back up, son. Green clip. Finish the strip for me. This arm on the ceiling over here.
So, just a question. The strings are to my side?
Yes. Alright, here's your countdown. 3, 2, 1, go!
Bend your knees.
Wow.
How was it, Monica?
Oh, I can't speak about this.
How was it?
Awesome.
Well, you did the jump in your life, right? And your last words?
My ears are crossed.
Smart. See you next time.